Well, yes, dear.
As you know, tonight is the big night.
Yes.
I trust you'll have the creation ready.
Oh, I assure you, dear, he'll be in the fright. At the fright time.
Stop it! You're so romantic.
Yes?
What's taking so long with the prenuptial agreement?
Yeah, it's not like she asked for a rich, habeas corpses.
You kidding, corpses? Okay, try again. I'll see if I can't scare something out of
Good one.
I'm scared.
Sorry,
Claire, dear, I no longer need your assistance in this matter. Winston has assured me his creation will be ready by the deadline. Y'all get it dead alive.